This is Corey Watts with part 2 showing you all DC superheroes review. So yeah, I only have 3 Green Lanterns. 2 are the same, but I'm missing one. I needed to find out one, but I'm gonna show you these 3 for now. So yeah. We have John Stewart. John Stewart, who was a part of Justice League. And I know I kind of scratched up this part, but he still kind of looks a little bit okay. Okay, a little. Do you see the scratches on his head? And here, yeah, sorry, I kind of messed up that side. But he still has other good qualities. He still have the Green Lantern symbol. He looks good. He looks powerful and strong. He looks awesome. And he's one of the, black Green Lanterns, his skin color. And I do like it that he has white gloves. That makes him look a little bit different. He's pretty awesome. For another Green Lantern. He's the I will say second. Mostly. The original one was totally different. This Green Lantern, this Green Lantern, this Green Lantern, the Lantern Corps, right? It's about a bunch of these people or other alien creatures or humans at least go there, and they wear these wings, these green wings that they have. He has it too, so there's a lot of them. They call it the Green Lantern Corps. Who runs it are these blue men, small blue men. And they run it in their job. They're like the police. They make sure they make the galaxy safe for any bad guys, the Green Lantern Corps. And he's a part of it, John Stewart. And John Stewart is awesome. Definitely. And then after him, I heard a new Green Lantern comes, and he's white, and his name is Hal Jordan. He's also awesome also. This is the movie version. Oh yeah, and I also forgot one thing. The posability, right? He can move his arms all the way, he can move his legs up and down, he can move his head all the way, but I don't want to risk it. Remember, these are old figures. So yeah, he's another old one from the movie, from the Green Lantern movie. So yeah, he's also awesome too, but they didn't put his max on there. But he's still good. They could use their lanterns to turn into anything. The rings, the Green Lantern rings. It could turn into a sword or it could shoot out blasts from the rings. Also counts for John Stewart. They could make weapons or something. Like a big giant rock or make a big giant them. Or an animal or something. That's what they could do with the lantern's power. So yeah. He's also awesome. Also he could could bend his arms up and down all the way. He could move his legs up and down, spin his head around all the way too, but I don't want to exit. So yeah, he's another awesome figure too. Another awesome Green Lantern. And then we have a second Hal Jordan. A McDonald's one from the show. From the Green Lantern show. And it shows, and the Green Lanterns aren't the only one. They show other teams of Lanterns. Some of them are good, and there's ones that are evil. The Red Corps. And they would represent something. The Red Corps represents rage, and there's the Yellow Corps about Sinestro. He used to be a part of the Green Lantern Corps, but he betrayed. The Yellow Corps represents fear. The pink one represents love. The blue one represents hope, and the purple one, I'm not sure. Oh yeah, and the orange one represents greed. And I think the green one represents bravery. I'm not sure. But he looks awesome in this floor. He's like, my friend gave it to me, but I think I was wrong. I was being a little bit greedy, sorry. A long time ago. But never mind, I don't want to talk to you guys about that. Never mind. Let's just focus on this. I asked him, does he want it back? And he said no. He said I could keep it anyway. So yeah, he does have special features, but I think they don't work. He's old. Again. So yeah, he can move his arms all the way. All the way. This arm is a little bit more tougher. He can move his head all the way. So yeah, he's another awesome Green Lantern. We got the Green Lantern symbol. His suit looks awesome too. So yeah. Next, I will show you the Superman. So yeah, Superman. We also have a fourth Superman figure, but he's broken. Sorry. The fourth one. But we have three now, so yeah, never mind. So yeah, we have this Superman. He's super strong. Superman has freezing breath, laser vision. He could fly, super speed, super strength. So yeah, Superman has all of those powers. So yeah, Superman is super awesome, and I think he's like the main DC hero. So yeah, I do think that about Superman. Sometimes I think it's Batman, but Superman. So yeah. So yeah. Superman is definitely awesome. I still like the others, so yeah. I see the S symbol, the belt, and everything. And the posability, he could move his arms, bend his elbow. He can move his leg, move his head a little, his waist a little. So yeah, this is another awesome Superman. He's from Batman Brave and the Bold also. So yeah, he's another awesome. And also we got another DC character that is from the movie, the Superman movie, the reboot that how he restarts that he came to planet Earth when he was a baby, and farm and a farm woman and a farmer man. The farmer husband found him in a spacecraft and raised him as their own child and stuff. And when they got older, so yeah. This is a reboot movie. He fights somebody else known as General Zod and his army. So yeah. The Superman looks awesome. He got the S on his chest. He looks more new and improved. The suit looks awesome. So yeah, he has the cape, 2 on his back. Oh yeah, and the other Superman has the cloth cape. This one looks awesome also. He has the same powers, nothing different. The posability, he could bend, he could move his arm all the way. And he could bend his elbow, he could move his leg, and move his head a little, but not the waist. That's it for his posability. And he can move his arms all the way, this one too. So yeah. And also I forgot to tell you about Aquaman. He also has the power to control animals. Sea animals, that's it. Sea creatures, since he lives under the sea. So yeah, that too. Next, we have the last Superman. We have this one, the big Superman from Batman Unlimited Toys. So yeah. He's super big. So yeah, that's Superman. He's like super big. The cape looks nice right here. The cape is cloth. It looks awesome. He looks new and improved. The costume looks awesome. And the posability. He can move his elbows and move his arms all the way. He can move his head all the way. His head. And he can move his legs up and down and inside out like this. So yeah, he's another cool Superman. He's a big Superman actually. So yeah, he's more bigger. So yeah, I like this Superman as well. So yeah, I am done with this video. And also please comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys later. And I will do the channel soon. See you guys later.